My name is Ishara. Welcome to my science club. Hi, friends. We have some special guests. This is Maya and Naomi.
It's so good to be here, Ishara. What are we going to learn about?
We're going to talk about magnets. You remember that we talked about the three layers in the Earth?
Yes, we did.
You remember Earth's core is as big as a magnet.
Oh, Earth's core is a big magnet?
Ishara, I know that the core is as big as planet Moon.
Teach me everything I should know about magnets.
All magnets has a north and south pole.
Awesome. So,
After we cut this magnet in half, we can have a new north and a new south pole.
oh, so each half would have a new north and a new south pole?
We'll demonstrate how magnets attract and repel.
Oh,
So
awesome.
we're gonna show the opposite sides.
Okay, so you're going to put the opposite poles together? Let's see what happens. Ah, they attract. So what happens if we put a south and a south? What's happening?
It's repelling. Magnets are attracted. Things are ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic things are made of nickel, iron, or cobalt. We'll put these together with our magnets. Tape and string and a plant hook and a magnet and a tray.
Oh, we're going to look at the attraction between the magnet and the paper clip. So first we take the string. Okay.
Like this. Just like this. See? Then put it onto the tray. Then take one of your paper clips. This. Try to hang it on it. Try to go a little loop. And tie it. Retie it. Take the magnet and tape it onto our plant hook.
Okay,
Just move your finger a little bit.
sure.
Then tape it. Now, let's see the attraction.
The attraction between the magnet and the paper clip. Wow, wait, that's so cool. It's not even touching.
That's awesome.
It is pretty awesome.
Can we do a demonstration on the magnetic field of the north and south poles?
Yes. Yeah, let's do it. For this demonstration, we need iron 7 and a magnet and a plate.
It moves wherever the magnet does. Yeah, that is so cool.
The piece of iron are ferromagnetic. Thank you for joining us today.